Welcome to DigiFT, a decentralized security token exchange. In this tutorial, we will show you how to subscribe to primary offerings on the DigiFT platform. Before we begin, please do ensure that you have completed your account opening to enable subscription and trading features on the DigiFT platform. For transactions on the Ethereum blockchain, do ensure that you maintain a minimum balance of 0.05 to 0.1 ETH to support transaction gas fees before attempting to transact. To subscribe to direct issuer offerings listed on the DigiFT platform, click on the offerings top menu option, as shown above. This will bring you to the DigiFT issuance portal that lists projects listed on the platform. Click the Subscribe Now blue button and scroll to the end of the page to view details of issuance listings that are available for subscription. To subscribe to a primary offering, input the desired subscription quantity and click the Subscribe Now blue button and follow the steps as shown above. To verify the status of your subscription, return to the DigiFT issuance portal and click the My Investments blue button. Changes to your subscription can also be made through this function during the subscription period. DigiFT will process the subscription at the end of the subscription period, and only then will your account reflect the newly subscribed tokens. We hope this video provides you insights on how to subscribe to new offerings on the DigiFT portal. To learn more about DigiFT products, scan the QR codes to access the DigiFT website and follow us via social media.